Have you ever wondered who's the mastermind behind the platform that's revolutionizing personal finance in Southeast Asia? The platform that's turning saving and investing from a daunting task into a seamless, enjoyable experience. Well, let's dive into the story of a company that's not just changing the game, but setting a new standard. A company that's making financial freedom accessible to millions. At the heart of this financial revolution are two visionary individuals, Michel Ferrario and Antoine Garnier. They're the dynamic duo behind StashAway, a Singapore-based financial technology company. Michel Ferrario, the tech visionary. Michel, a seasoned tech entrepreneur, brings a wealth of experience to the table. With a passion for technology and a keen eye for innovation, he recognized the potential of leveraging technology to simplify personal finance. He saw an opportunity to create a platform that could empower individuals to take control of their financial future. Antoine Garnier, the finance expert. Antoine, a seasoned investment professional, brings a deep understanding of the financial markets. With a strong background in finance and a commitment to helping people achieve their financial goals, he saw the need for a platform that could provide easy access to professional investment strategies. The birth of StashAway. Together, Michel and Antoine combined their expertise to create StashAway. Their vision was to build a platform that would make investing as easy as using a mobile app. They wanted to break down the barriers to investing, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial knowledge or experience. The StashAway mission. StashAway's mission is to empower people to build wealth through smart investing. They believe that everyone deserves access to world-class investment strategies, regardless of their net worth. By leveraging technology and a team of experienced investment professionals, StashAway has made it possible for anyone to start investing with as little as $1. The StashAway advantage. Simplified investing. StashAway offers a user-friendly platform that makes it easy to invest in a diversified portfolio of ETFs. Expert management. A team of experienced investment professionals manages the portfolios, ensuring optimal performance. Risk-based investing. StashAway offers a range of risk profiles to suit different investor needs. Affordable fees. StashAway offers competitive fees, making investing accessible to everyone. The future of StashAway. StashAway continues to innovate and expand its offerings. They are committed to making personal finance more accessible and empowering more people to achieve their financial goals. So, the next time you open your StashAway app, remember the vision of Michel Ferrario and Antoine Garnier. They're the pioneers who are making financial freedom a reality for millions of people. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.